Hello, and welcome back to Gordo RC. Today I've been fixing my Wpl C34 kit version. I've painted the underside and the bed black using Montana black. I gave it a coat of this one on the yellow side, Auto K plastic primer. I think it came out pretty well. I don't know how it looks on cam, but for me here it looks nice. Also went over the little details with the chrome pen. These ones on the hood, the antenna, the light buckets here, and the steering wheel got a little chrome detail. The dash got aluminium color, and I put on the alloy wheels with the weights inside, alloy front bumper from AliExpress for a 1/10 scale maybe, but didn't say. Put some accessories, Coke bottles, tow rope, tow winch, wire, jerry can, fire extinguisher, doggy, bucket, firewood, cell phone, and a matching spare. Not the wheel, but the tire is matched. Yeah, the tire matches, so I can use it. It's functional. And yeah, the gauge decal for the dash as well. This is some nunchucks, so you don't miss. This is the kit version, normal kit version, with the plastic trans and drive shafts and axle housings. It lasted about 15 minutes on 3S, the motor and the gearbox transmission. I think it broke. I ran 3S in it with the Hobbywing 1625 ESC and FlySky receiver, and it didn't last so long as I expected, but I will put in the metal version gearbox transfer case with the 380 motor, 370 motor, and that one is good. So like and subscribe if you enjoy my video. See the thing, nice detailing, license plate. Has decent flex, this truck. It's pretty heavy, but it handles pretty well. A little bit more torque with the 370 motor, and this is gonna be a good truck to drive. Get yours in AliExpress, Max Metal Toy Store, the best retailer. And until next time, share, like, subscribe, and write a comment. See you later. Bye.